911. This angel number is saying to you today. Seeing 911 often is a sign you are undergoing a spiritual awakening. You have a council of guides that urge you to take action that supports your new spiritual knowledge. Type thank you to align with gratitude for the universe. God is saying to you today, have empathy. Attempt to imagine living in the life of other people and recognizing how hard it can be. Be kind because not everyone is as fortunate as you are. Type yes if you are. The universe is saying to you today, accept responsibility for all aspects of your life. Only by knowing where you are right now and how you got there are you able to make relevant, positive, and productive choices and action in the present moment. Subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you.